The snowstorm. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot, the farmer. She has 2 children called Puppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night, there was a big snowstorm. In the morning, it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Mrs. Boot to Puppy and Sam. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Boot look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going? Says Puppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Puppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are all covered with snow, says Ted. We'll have to fight them, says Puppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Puppy, and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. Puppy calls the sheep. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Puppy. Is that naughty Uli? Says Ted. They look for Uli. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, fight Uli, calls Sam. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Puppy, and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick hedge. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Uli is hiding in there. Clever Rusty, says Ted. Come on, Uli, let me help you out, old girl, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Uli out of the hedge. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it, Ted? Says Puppy. Ted lifts out a tiny lamb. Uli has had a lamb, he says. We'll take it and Uli to the barn. They'll be warm there. Puppy rides home. She holds the lamb. What a surprise, she says. Good old Uli.